Hello world, Shelly here, and cheers! I got some chai tea. We are obviously in my formulation lab, aka my laundry room, and sorry, I'm leaning in here so that I can get all in the camera. Yeah, we're gonna make what I hope is the last batch of a formula I have been working on for months for a spring launch, a cherry pressed serum. And it's the kind of serum that you can replace either your serum or your moisturizer step, or replace them both if you're not super dry. And yeah, so I've already prepped my area, sanitized everything, cleaned everything up, got all my equipment cleaned, got all my ingredients out here. So yeah, let's make some stuff, shall we? Chai tea first. Oh, I got this tea in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, the cutest town. They have the spring water, the hot springs baths, the Roman style baths. Oh, it's the most relaxing thing in the world. And the chai tea is very good. Alright, let's do this. I'm only making a very small batch because, you know, if it doesn't work out, then, you know, you don't want to make too much. So I'm only gonna make 100 grams, so I think I'll be able to use my itsy bitsy beaker. I think I want to mix in this one, so I can use a smaller one for other stuff. Now, even though these are all washed and sanitized, before I use anything, I spray with alcohol. Just one last little, you know, kill off anything cray in there that we don't want. This doesn't require any heating, so it should be pretty straightforward. 2 phases. I've got some, I'm not going to talk through this whole thing. When I get to work, I'm going to do a little music, little high speed thing here. But I'm going to talk you through some of what's in this. Glycerin, of course, because hello dry skin. We're going to have some hyaluronic acid in here. There's some gemstone extract. That's not the important part. Really, that's kind of just for label appeal. Rhodochrosite gemstone extract. We have some cherry juice. We've got cherry blossom extract. Using the cloudberry seed oil that I had in Winter's limited edition, the Arctic Renewal lotion. So we'll have a little bit of cloudberry in there. That's that relative of the raspberry that lives at like 40 degrees Celsius below zero and thrives, and so it's a really good antioxidant. And cherry is also tons of antioxidants. So this is like brightening and fighting off environmental aggressors and hydrating. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for with this. A pressed serum is kind of just like a serum that is sort of a cross between a lotion and a serum. It's a really lightweight lotion, so it's going to be almost like a, not a gel, but a really like low thickness lotion. Sort of creamy, but feeling like a serum kind of a thing. That's what I'm going for. So yeah, that's kind of the plan with this one. Hopefully this will be a good test batch, and if everything goes well, then I will scale it up and do a first scaled up batch, and then it'll be available to the world if everything goes well. So I'm gonna get started. Roll that beautiful bean footage. that went well. If you wonder why I'm packaging them into these little containers, anyone that subscribes to my Patreon at the Goldfish tier, the $15 a month, gets handmade skincare from me in the mail every single month, and they are also the first ones to get to try out anything new that I'm working on, testing. They get to give me feedback and try it and be the first ones. This turned out nice. My only worry is that the little bit of mica that I put in there for colorants might separate out. We will find out, but this is my jar. Don't worry, I won't send this one to anybody. But let's just give it a little texture test. Off camera, I did the pH testing. It's just a smidge above 5. Oh yeah. Yeah, you generally want between like 4.5 and 5.5. That's around the pH of our skin. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, that's my dad. Dad got some cherry serum now. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Sunk in quickly so we don't have anything sticky happening. No stickiness. Alright, alright, alright. I see you, cherry pressed serum. I see you. We'll see, because you see how you can see some of the mica right there and right there. The mica might separate out. We're gonna find out. So I will test it out, see if it separates out. If it does, you know, it was like a cream color, not white cream. It was like a yellow cream color without the mica. I just wanted it to look more cherry-like. But I do use sustainably sourced mica from Mad Micas, one of my favorite places. It's the only place I buy my micas, and they are all, the ones I buy anyway, are all skin safe and lip safe. You won't put this on your lips, but other things you might put on your lips. Anyway, so so far so good. I'll be sending these out next month to my Goldfish patrons, and yeah, so cross your fingers for me that this one holds up and that this is the winner. And if this combo is the winner, then I'll start making a big batch and get it ready to sell for springtime, which, what are we, 2 weeks away from daylight savings? The clock's changing, spring ahead? Yeah, we lose an hour of sleep, but yeah, by the time you see this, we'll be even closer to springing ahead. Fall back, spring ahead. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for doing a little formulating, a little testing with me. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over skincare formulation with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.